now tuned into the greatest.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Kicks coming at you with another video. You know, just 1 minute, that's all I need. Didn't even know these shoes were releasing today. I totally forgot. But we do have the Easter 11s. I thought they just looked like the Concords, honestly, from the pictures, but now I see the difference. We got this like shiny, iridescent little colorway. It's clean, icy blue bottoms, but even the bottoms have like this iridescent flow to it. With the same, you know, 11 leather. It is what it is. I think the shoe is dope. It's a nice little Easter colorway. It's what it is. They are sitting on shelves. They might at some point you'll be able to get them for a discount, but that's what it is, man. Mark Kicks.